What's happening? What up? What it do? That's for sure. But everybody give us any say what up, though. I'm so excited. My pattern package has arrived. I have been waiting for this since I saw Miss Tracy, my mama, my auntie, post that she was starting a hair care line. Okay. This is my unboxing video. I'm skinny, y'all. This dress keep falling off. All right. Oh, here we go. Hopefully my phone don't die. But we got some plastic that we gonna throw in the trash. We have a okay, bro, I'm about to change my clothes. All right. Pattern by Tracy Ellis Ross. At Pattern, it's not just the way your hair looks. It's the way it feels. We will meet your hair where it is and empower your curl pattern. We will give you access to your best curls in your own bathroom or someone else's. We promise to nourish your hair and cherish your health to keep your hair healthy and hydrated, juicy and joyful. That almost sounded like a hair prayer. Like, oh my God, okay. May our hair live its best life. By purchasing Pattern products, you are helping to support organizations and programs that empower women and people of color. Learn more at patternbeauty.com. Thank you for shopping at patternbeauty.com. Rock your pattern. Period. Okay. Boom. We got the receipt. All together, I have hydration shampoo, 9.8 fluid ounces, heavy conditioner. I need that. 13 fluid ounces, leave-in conditioner, 9.8 fluid ounces, jojoba oil, hair serum, 3.9 fluid ounces, hair clip, microfiber towel, shower brush, and Wash Day Deluxe set. I think Wash Day Deluxe set is the whole thing all together is what it's called. But that's what my order was. Altogether, this was $126 and some change. And then, like, there was a 10% off thing. So I really got everything for, like, $116 or, like, $118 was my finishing total or something like that. It doesn't have how much I spent on here. Yeah. Okay, so then we got it wrapped up in this cute yellow wrapping paper, and yellow is my favorite color. Yellow, yellow, yellow. I just ripped it. The sticker is cute though. It says juicy and joyful, and then it has the Pattern logo along with Tracy's name and things like that. This is the jojoba oil. I'm gonna take it out of there. Ooh. It's so cute and I can't wait to use it. I just don't even know what I'm gonna do. I'm so excited. Like, okay. And then this is the leave-in conditioner. Stop playing with me, Tracy. And then we have the hydration shampoo. Yes. And then we have the heavy conditioner. This is a big bottle. This is the biggest bottle in the pack, 13 fluid ounces. And I feel like everybody should do this. Everybody should have more conditioner than anything else. Do y'all know how much conditioner we use on wash day? I don't think people understand, but Tracy do. Tracy, you understand. Next, we have our hair clip. Something that I don't know if I'm ever really gonna use, to be honest, but no, I'm probably gonna use it. It's cute. And the spring is yellow. Yeah. I just, I love it. And then we have our pattern microfiber towel. I'm most excited about this because I dry my hair with t-shirts all the time. This was not falling down like this earlier. Like, did I lose weight in a matter of 20 minutes? But yeah, great for curlies, coilies, and tight textures when you need to contain the drippage. Big in size and gentle on the hair, our microfiber towel hugs your curls and absorbs excess water post-shower. Made with premium microfiber material, the towel helps to dry hair without heat and won't disrupt the styling magic you did on wash day, keeping your texture juicy and joyful. I love that, juicy and joyful. That's just, oh yeah, mood. Suggested use: after conditioning and applying styling products to wet curls, gently squish hair and towel, lemon rubbing and friction to draw out excess water. For hands-free drying, wrap towel and a gentle drape around hair, tucking the towel ends at hairline. Cool, she has instructions for everything. I'm not gonna open this just yet, just because I just don't want to. And the brush. I was just talking about the amazing brush I got from the dollar store, but I am 100% sure that this brush is 10,000 times better. Just because my friends even told me, like, you gonna love the brush. And like, I don't know if I introduced them to the Denman brush, but like, you know, the Denman brush is that's my jam. Like, that's my best friend, one of them. So this one I'm gonna open because I need to touch it. Like, I could feel the towel through the box, but I got to feel this brush. It's so, it makes me feel like a professional. Like, bro, y'all just wait, because I just did wash day 2 days ago. But y'all just wait, because it's coming. I'm done now, y'all. I'm excited. I'm real excited. I'm really excited about this brush. Like, this brush is about to last me probably the rest of my life. If I don't have this brush for the rest of my life, what am I gonna do? I don't know. I'm gonna be surprised though. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me unboxing my Pattern Beauty kit. I'm so excited. I know I've just said that 10,000 times, but I'm just so excited. And yeah, maybe I'll do my perfect afro routine with the Pattern Beauty products, and that'll be like the first video that I upload when I start uploading on YouTube again. But I don't know, because I definitely did film a video today, but it was poorly recorded on my cell phone. But I did the whole thing. I did the hair, the makeup, and a little, well, I didn't do it behind the scenes of the shoot, but I did the hair. I did a whole good ready with me. So, you know, I might just make that into an IGTV video. I don't know. But yeah. Anyway, subscribe to my YouTube channel, y'all. Naturally Ann. Watch my quarantine playlist. It's you know, go ahead and binge watch all of my playlists. If you just bored like that, like, y'all ain't doing nothing. And if you are doing something, just let it play in the background. Just do that. It'll be, you know, it'll still count. But I'm officially done talking. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.